Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some turkey thighs. So let's get toasting. I've got a package of turkey thighs here. These were $3.99 per pound, so it was $14.36 for these. There's 4 thighs in there, and they're in a 7% solution of water, salt, dextrose. So I think it's kind of like a brine. I cooked 2 of these last night just to see how they were. So cook the other 2 here, if I can get them out of here. Alright, there we go, there's 1. So I'm going to rinse that brine off real quick, and then we'll get them. I'm going to cook them in that 10-inch cast iron skillet in my toaster oven. These fit nicely in this cast iron skillet. Now I'm going to season them with this rub by the J. Christopher Company. It's got sumac in it. It's a purple berry. It gives it that nice color. It kind of gives it a bit of a citry, has a bit of a citrus taste to it. I've already seasoned the bottom side, so just do the top here. And it's fairly light on the salt, so sprinkle on just a little bit of kosher salt as well. Now we'll get those into my toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll set the timer for 35 minutes and we'll see how that goes. I have a quick read thermometer here, so I'll check the temperature at the end to make sure they're done. These look good, but I'm not sure if they're done yet. They should be at least 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that one's 205, so that's well above it. Oh yeah, that one's like 196, so yeah, they're done. The outside looks nice. Let's cut into one and see what the inside looks like here. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Looks cooked through. Slice off a little piece there. And, ooh, pretty hot. We'll try that out. That's good, and the skin turned out really good, really crispy. Some of the best turkey skin I've had. Guess we better see what Annie thinks. You want to try it, Annie? Do a little dance over there. There you go. Not bad, huh? I made one of my favorite sandwiches. Turkey, stovetop stuffing, cranberry sauce on white bread with mayonnaise. Yum. That skin turned out super good. That's some of the best turkey skin I've had. Anyway, that was in there 35 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus the oven preheats for 10 minutes before the timer starts. So about 45 minutes total. But it'll vary depending on how big your turkey thighs are and your oven. But anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.